What's going on, guys? So in today's video I'm going to be basically making a ham sandwich. So basically, obviously you need your bread, and obviously I buttered it, as you can see. There's like butter there. So first of all, is what you're going to do is get ham. Obviously you buttered it first, right? So you're going to get ham, and then you put your ham on there, right? And then you get your cheese, basically. And I have like block cheese, so obviously I didn't really cut it correctly, because cheese is hard to cut. Like, I used this knife, and so it's a sharp knife, but it's just hard to cut, as you can see. Like, once it was like block, you have to slice it like that. It's not the best cheese for like making sandwiches, because it's hard to cut to perfect slices unless you have a cheese like cutter thing. So basically, you're gonna put all these. You put ham. Well, you put obviously your bread, butter it, and then you put ham, and then you put your cheese, obviously, and then 1 minute let me put my cheese on there. And now that the cheese is on there, you're gonna grab tomatoes. I forgot what they're called. Tomatoes, and obviously I've cut these, and then you put these on there. Right. Only like random ones. I don't really like tomatoes as much, but I don't mind. So then you got your tomatoes on there, and then you're gonna get two pieces of ham, and cover that up, basically like a blanket. Perfect. And then you put, of course, another bread on top of that one, and there you go. There is your bread and butter and ham, cheese, and those tomatoes and ham and bread sandwich. But it's basically like a traditional British ham and cheese sandwich, apart from the obviously tomatoes on it. More, I guess, more healthy and stuff like that. Now, if you do have leftover cheese, just eat it, because cheese helps with things vitamin K and vitamin K6 or 7 or something. It helps with your heart. So eating cheese is actually pretty good for you. Of course, eating too much, obviously you'll gain more weight more quicker. But this is just a random sandwich. Hopefully the audio is amazing. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next whenever I do. Peace out.